Hey guys, it's me, Hasta with WTI, and I spend most of my time in the kitchen baking or cooking for my friends and family, and that's why I always need to make sure I do not burn myself because at the end of the day, I'm dealing with heat, and that's why this has been a great addition to my kitchen.
This is the double oven mitt by the Big Red House, and it's a heat resistant mitt made of cotton with silicone stripes, which is gonna make your pots or pans stay in place and not slip when you're holding them. And that's my favorite part about this mitt. I have been using it almost every day for my cooking, baking, and it's worked perfectly. It's also really wide and it has a great length for you to fit any pan size. It can be any material, aluminum or glass. I've used all of them and it's worked wonderfully. And something I really value about this product is the design. They really pay attention to it and the color. I like the fact that the color is pretty dark, and even though it does get dirty because we're dealing with food, it doesn't show that much because it's a dark gray. It also has these pockets and a little thingy to hang on the wall. Then I just use these pockets when I'm not actually using the mitt for the oven or to hold anything. I can put this wooden spoons in it or anything else, and yeah, it just serves as storage as well.
So if you want to be a careful cook just like me, make sure you use this on a daily basis. We're always cooking. There's no excuse. It will protect you 100%. It will fit any pan. And here it's pretty wide. It won't slip because of the silicone. So yeah, it's just perfect. And that's just my point of view.